Lesson 50, Pictures, Online Pictures, Video Word Drills. First instruction is to insert a picture. Insert, on File, Pictures, select, Insert. Next task is to resize. Select the picture so that you can choose Picture Tools Format, Size, type 2.5 and press Enter. Crop the picture, select it, choose Picture Tools Format, Size, Crop, and you're going to hover till you have like a little hook in the top left corner. Leave it at the top. You're just dragging from the left to the edge of the sand castle. Insert an online picture, insert online, and this is sand castle. And you'll pick the first one that appears, select it, and insert. Resize the picture, select the picture, Picture Tools Format, Size, Height, 2.25, and Enter. Wrap text, select the picture, choose Layout Options, and with text wrapping square. Select the picture to crop, Picture Tools Format, Size, Crop. Again, using the upper left corner, but you're staying at the top, and you're just dragging it to the edge of the sandcastle, and then turn crop off by clicking it again. Select the picture, choose Picture Tools Format, go into Arrange, Position, and this is Middle Center. Add a border, choose Design, use your arrow, Page Border. The thick line style is the 9th. 1, 2, 3. Select this one, choose 3 points, and OK. Change the color of the page border. So again, go into Design, Borders, and the color of the border will be gold accent 4, 50%, and OK. And you're done.